So my job is to offer every patient that we see the absolute best possible care. It's my job to make sure that this clinic keeps up with the most up-to-date techniques and technologies in stem cell therapy and regenerative medicine. This clinic is built on making sure that we are giving the best possible care that you could expect from any vet in any clinic in the country. And we give expert follow-up. So we give treatments and then we are going to speak to you the next day, in 7 days, in 14 days, in 30 days. We're going to ask you for video follow-ups. We're going to speak to you in 60 days and 90 days and every so often throughout the entire healing journey. And it's also my job to make sure that we give expert follow-up care so that once treatment's been given, we can follow up all of our patients, make sure we stay in touch with you and make sure that things are working effectively and that you're happy and the dogs are happy. So please give us a call or fill out the web form, and I promise we'll do everything we can to help you, give you all the information you need, and we really look forward to seeing if we can help at all.